If you want to take astrophotos on Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all we need to open the camera app. Over here in the camera app you will need to go to More and you need to download Expert RAW. So if you go over here, if you tap on this button, then you will find the download option. You will have to install the extension. Once you go over here you can of course select it and then grant all the necessary permissions to be able to use the app. And now in here we should be able to find this bottle icon. Here we should be able to find the Astrophoto option. We have different capture times. Of course, the more time you allow the phone to take to capture a photo, better results you will get. You can also tap on the eye icon in order to find a little description of that option. It is recommended to use something like a tripod or something to stabilize your phone because usually it takes a really long time to capture a photo. The phone should be still so that the photo is pretty clear. And as you can see now, the photo is trying to capture the stars and galaxies, I guess, or moon. In my case, of course, it won't be able to detect anything. And at some point we can pause it as well, in case you don't want to wait. But generally speaking, once you start using this option, once you turn it on, once you start capturing the photo, you probably want to wait until it's actually over. And there we go. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.